Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Gina. Thanks for stopping by. Well, tonight I'm going to be making a card. I like to do the card challenges at a cherry on top, and this month it's a little bit different than usual, and I love it. The person that does the challenges there said that she was having a hard time coming up with a challenge for January, a card challenge. I got tongue-tied there, I'm sorry. So she went and she checked out the January holiday and observances that came up with a list. And so we were to choose one. So I decided to choose January 5th, which is National Bird Day. And I'm going to collage. You know me. Can I get enough collaging? And I think it'll turn out good. So I went to my little book, where I've got all these, and I came up with this little bird. I cut off, this is the same bird here. I cut off a lot of the white. I didn't want all that white, and then I kind of inked around to make it a little bit different. I just wanted to show you what I did there. And this is a Hobby Lobby pack. I've shown before the pack, but it's just from one of their die cut packs, and I can't guarantee it's still there. It was there last time I was there, but I haven't been there since before Christmas, so I don't know if it's there or not. I have a second. I feel like I gotta sneeze. Oh, okay, maybe not. I have these craft envelopes that I really like, and I have not been using them. This was the closest craft that I could come up with to make the card. So I made that, and this card is going to drive me crazy. So I think I'm just going to open it like this because I can't get it to stay flat, and that is going to drive me crazy. So we're just going to open it like that. My little bird's going to go here. And some hand lotion. That craft card is... I am getting so dry this winter. I've always got dry skin, but this winter, whew, it is really dry. It's so cold. I think I just shut everything out. No, good. I hit my mouse and I thought I shut everything out, and I have a video loading. Okay, so then I went and I got a bunch of digitals that I had that I can add here. I didn't cut everything out because I don't know for sure what all I'm going to use. But I just got a bunch of stuff here. And I think I'll probably do my usual and find something in my basket here that I can just cover the whole back up with first. Ah, I just dropped something. Okay. I'm going to just set these aside for a minute and see what I have in my basket that maybe I could cover it with. We'll put our little birdie here, and we'll do some covering, and then we'll put some of that on. Let's tear this top portion. I don't know if I can get it semi-straight because it's going on the top of the card. Where am I? Make sure you can see what I'm doing. I know the bottom is straight, so I'm lining it up with one of my... I'm going to line my ruler up and tear. Okay. And then I think I will just get me another semi-straight line over here. And I'm not worried about what any of the words or anything are because I know I'm going to cover a whole lot of this up. I'm just trying to get some coverage on the card first. Okay. Oh, I guess I should I'll move that envelope out of the way. I guess I should use my... let's see. Oh, this barely covers it now. Okay. Okay. I like both sides of that. Let's use that side. And I love-hate relationship with a glue stick. I see other people have all kinds of luck with them, but I'm just not that person. Oh, I didn't scoot it all the way over. Oh well. I should get my mouse out of the way. I had to go to a wired mouse and keyboard because my computer just wouldn't talk to him all the time, and I'd be sitting here. Sometimes it would be days it wouldn't talk. I'd be like, I don't know what's going on, but I can't take this anymore. So I went to wired, and I don't have any problems. And I don't know what the problem was, but I haven't had any problems since I did that, so, yeah, I don't know, I forgot to ink that up, but all is well. It will be okay. I will survive it. Me and my crazy obsession with making sure everything is inked. Let's just go ahead and put some of this on here. How much do I need? That much? I just put it sideways? I can put it sideways. Everything is in my way. I'm having trouble. Let's just cut it right here. Or tear it. Okay. Let's go ahead and ink it up. Alright. I hope that this stuff can take the glue stick without tearing. Alright. I think that's glued down right there. Okay. Oh, no, don't use those. start using some fun stuff here. Okay. This is my stuff that I got out. And here's my bird. I kind of don't want her smack in the middle. I kind of think I want her off to the side here. Got this pretty thing. I think it's a check received. Yeah. But I don't have all of it. It got cut off, which I don't like how that looks. So, because it was cut, not paper. It wasn't even cut very well. Well, that didn't even trim very well either. That's bad. Yikes. So I really like that. I thought I might clip out one of these little doilies. I guess this one right here. Probably should have done this ahead, but I grabbed it right at the last minute I saw it. And I thought, hey, I forgot I had those. I forgot I even had this printable. I was using this all the time for a while, and then I just kind of forgot about it, and I can't tell you whose it is because I forgot about it and I don't know. I'm gonna have to get in my printables and figure out whose it is and start printing it again, because it comes with a lot more than just this. This is just some leftovers, and they do look really neat on your page. Oh, my hands don't want to work. My left hand keeps slipping, making it kind of hard to cut. Did I just... No, I thought I tossed it with the scraps because I couldn't see it. Okay, so I got that. I got this 2 for $5. I got this. I got this botanical ticket. I got carte postale, which we'll have to cut up if we use. Got a field label. I love this stamp set. Love, love, love it. Got a scrap here we can cut up. I got this little thing that is a digital that I don't know whose it is, but it has red in it. I like that. Oh, I got this lovely. I thought for sure we would use this. This says My Porch Prints on it. Another thing I forgot I had. I went through a different folder that I've kind of forgotten about and pulled some things out that I had printed. Hadn't been in it for a while. And these are some leftovers. I have a bingo card. Okay, and then this is just leftovers from something. And I have this pretty little flower thing here that kind of really goes with her, or him, probably a him because it's a pretty little bird. should have had it cut out. If I use this, I'm probably not going to use those. Okay, and then I have these little tabs. I didn't know if I would want a tab somewhere, so I'm not going to cut that out, and I probably won't use those either since I'm using this. Alright, so start layering. Maybe tear this. I can. Maybe here. I will use my inker thing to get this going a little bit faster. Put that right there. And let's see. Put that there. I don't know about that, but we'll see. Ink that up already. Oh no. Kind of like having the blue. Alright, let's just keep looking here. Got a bingo card. I could rip this in half, maybe. Put it somewhere. It always takes me a minute to get going. Does it take you a minute to like kind of figure things out? Like, what am I doing? Maybe I've got too much of this on here. Maybe I'll scoot it over some. Just not sure. I like this, but let's try trimming around it a little bit. I'll probably have to cut down a little bit more, but let's see. Maybe I can just blend it into the background. Oh, why it's not trimming very well. Maybe the paper's too thin. Okay, let's see if I can just blend this into the background. Let's try that. Let's scoot this up. Let's just try doing this. make all this white on this. Gotta get that off of there. That away. There we go. Oh, that kind of goes this way. Oh, can I move that down? Is it too late to move this down? Let's see if I can move it down just a little bit. Down to about there. Okay, now I'm gonna have to go ahead and ink. You know, I never thought I'm gonna have to put a sentiment on this. I guess the sentiment can be inside. I'm going to put lovely on here for sure. Now I need to make sure I get this right at the top. I wish I would have taken a moment and made sure that I came to a point. I'll cover that up somehow. That would work right there, or I like the doily there. Probably can put that doily there. Okay. I can't forget, I'm wanting my bird, you know, somewhere right over here. And my bird's gonna need something to sit on there. That's the way I think of it, something that it can sit on. So maybe this little thing could sit right there. See? I still kind of want this to be over in this area. I like that there. And I want to get the field label. I thought I did. I don't know, I'm kind of filling it up, aren't I? Let's see. Oh, maybe. Don't know. I really want to put this right here because of that that place. We're gonna go ahead and put it right there. And that will just cover that up nicely. Whoa, 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 I'm moving it. I've also got this little ticket. Well, I'm going to go ahead and put this down here, and I only want it to go about as high as that, so we'll go ahead and we will put that off there. And I don't know what digital this is. Oops, I don't want to clip it off with that one. I want it to be straight edge. My finger in ink. I'm going to bake brownies when I get off here. And I'm ready for them. hungry. For brownies. I should be hungry for green beans or something, shouldn't I? But for brownies, well, maybe I could put that right there. Yes. I'm going to cut a little bit off the bottom. So that I can tuck it down in there. I like that. Okay, now my bird. And I still gotta get my lovely, but my lovely might just go right there, like that. I like that. Yes, that's where that's gonna go. Before that though, I just stuck my hand in that glue stick. Let me put the lid on the glue stick. I had thought about putting a little bit of lace on here, and I might just do that underneath the lovely. Just a little bit there. Yes, I like that a lot. Okay, so we will cut that right at that point right there. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of glue stick right there. Put this down right there. Okay. And then we'll do this. And put this right there. There we go. Alright, now back to our bird. I mean, after all, the bird has to be on there because this is for Bird Day. We've got to have the bird. I don't know. I could maybe put the field, half the field label down there. Where's my ruler? Cut it right there. On that line. I don't think you can see what I'm doing, can you? Let me scoot up so you can. I'm gonna put the field label right there. I'm going to cut on that line, or tear, I guess I should say, and see if this would work. Those others are so tall, and I don't know, I'm not sure about them. So we'll try this and see if it works better. Now I'm going to ink around it with my brush, if I can. There it is. Find my brush. So if we put this, we'll connect it there so it's not just all out there by, you know, like over here it's kind of by itself, which I guess isn't so bad, but I kind of like it being connected right there. Yes, I like that. I like that so much better. I can't tell you why. The others were just like, see how tall that is, and now the bird is way, I don't know, I don't care for it as much. She's way up there, and there's all this room down here. I don't know how to explain what I'm not liking. I like this better shorter, and I like it connected to this. And it doesn't really matter, it doesn't have to be. I mean, because it's connected to this up here, but yet that's kind of part of the background. So then we're going to put our bird here, and I like that. I like that a lot. Now, do I want to try to work this in somewhere? And I don't think I do. Now, do I need one of these labels anywhere? Let me cut one out. I like the dark ones. Oops, and not with those scissors. No, 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 no. Or pull, these are like pull tabs is what they are. So I didn't know if I wanted to. These scissors are not cutting very, neither are my Tim Holtz scissors are cutting the greatest lately. Glue on my hand. There. So what you do with these is fold them in half, just like you would any pull tabs. This is not matching up, so I'm just going to do that. Turn it over. That side matches pretty good. And then I didn't know if I would want to do excuse me, maybe on this side. Do that and have a pull tab on my card, which I think I do. I like that. Needs to be inked up really good, especially on the inside. I don't like that white showing on the inside. You can't see all of it, but it really shows. The little bits peeking through really show. So I'll put this side has like writing on it. Put that there, and then I think we'll set an eyelet in it. Look at my eyelets. I'm sorry I didn't have them out. That just struck me to do that. I think it would be pretty. Oops, sorry little birdie. Maybe we should glue our bird down instead of letting him get floated around and maybe tore up. Oh, let me decline that real quick. It's not coming through my phone. Doggone it. It was on my computer. There, I got it. Oh, no, 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 recording. Oh, I hit. Oh, I'm sorry, I gotta send them a message. Tell them why I just did that. Okay. I just accidentally answered it and then hung right back up on them. They were like, I heard them taking a breath. It was my grandkids. 2 of them. And I heard him go, oh, excuse me. I mentioned I got me a Swig cup. Have you heard of the Swig cups? I absolutely love this thing. Love it. keeps your drinks really cold. I love it. I got it at our farm and home, and I love it. I really do. Oh, my glue is getting all goopy. I hope I can get through that with my eyelet setter now. We'll give that a minute. We will ink around the edge here real quick. Just move this and get my magazine out of the way. Ah! Okay, now we'll see if I can do this. Let's pick out an eyelet. Scoot that up there. And do a gold eyelet, or I could just do like a little brown one, a little bitty brown one. It doesn't have to be a big one. That might be nice. I think that would be good. I mean, considering what I've got available. I have tons of eyelets, but I don't have tons of eyelets. I've got like 90 color of eyelets, not eyelets that I want now. If that makes sense. I need to get some eyelets in colors that I want now. Oops. I mean, like, look. And I've got teapots and frogs and trees and gingerbread and pumpkins and pacifiers and bats. Yeah. Well, that I might use someday, but still, you know. But it had to be just the right thing, though. It's not what I'm reaching for daily. But I am making a very good effort to try to use these eyelets because I have so many of them. Okay. I need the small one. To go. Do I want it out here? Yeah, I want it out here, don't I? Well, it went through, so that's good. Okay. And I'm going to have to change because I have it on the large. So I'm going to put it on that one, and that one says C. So I want this one on 3. I have a hard time seeing the numbers. There's 3. Okay. I think that's 3. No, that's 2. That's 3. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, look how mushed it is. It's oval now. Oh well. Okay. Here is my card. Oh no, you know what? I just thought of something. Uh-oh, what are we gonna do about that? I'm gonna have to cut that off of there. Well, okay, that doesn't look so bad there. It just looks like part of it. It was a good idea while it lasted, wasn't it? I guess I could put an eyelet right there. Let's see if I can squish another one. Ah, that's a bummer. I really like the idea of doing that, but it's not going to fit in the envelope that way, so. Oops, I keep trying to. Oh, that one did much better. Okay, there we go. Thank you for joining me today. I hope that you're having a blessed day, and I will be seeing you soon. Bye-bye.